Hey everybody, happy Thursday and welcome back to Writer's Workshop. Today we're going to be picking up a little bit where we left off yesterday in terms of editing and revising in order to make our books the very best they can be. But today we're going to be focusing especially on spelling and punctuation. So we've taken a look at a bunch of different strategies to help us be better spellers and therefore to be faster and better writers. Today I want you to go ahead and look through that piece that you were working on yesterday. And I want you to double check your spelling and your punctuation as you go. Okay, so some things you could be doing is going back in and just making sure that you got those tricky words right. So listening for little words inside, using that strategy to help you figure out how to spell a longer word. Using words you know. Remember that one where we were thinking about the word art in order to make the word smart. So if you can figure out a rhyming word that you already know how to spell, that's a great way to figure out how to spell a new word. And then the last strategy that we've really been focusing on for spelling is writing it part by part. So sounding out each chunk of the word to help us figure out how to spell something a little bit longer, like the word crocodile. I know you guys remember that strategy. And then, of course, we can't forget our punctuation. So at the end of each one of your sentences, you should have a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark. So today as you go, make sure that you're looking over your writing, checking your spelling and your ending marks. Don't forget to use those anchor charts to help you spell. And as always, I cannot wait to hear your amazing stories. Thanks so much for coming to Writer's Workshop, guys, and I'll see you next week.